Something brand new from Avast. This is a browser extension available for the Avast Secure Browser and all your Chromium-based browsers, which would include Google's Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and all the other browsers based on Chromium. The News Companion helps you make sure that you're not fooled by news sources, quickly check media source bias, and factual reporting on supported sites. This is currently still in beta, so it's only going to get better as time progresses. Let's take a closer look and see what this is all about. This will help you to check media bias. Avast News Check checks the political spectrum bias of all media sources, ranging from liberal left to conservative right views. Extremely right or left biased news sources are usually of questionable, untrustworthy nature, and you may want to read them carefully or avoid them, whichever you prefer. It will also help you verify factfulness of the news source. Avast News Check uses third-party algorithm to perform a fact check on the domain's news reporting bias based on multiple variables, such as providing evidence or proper sourcing, displaying fake news, conspiracy, propaganda, etc. Avast uses multiple source fact checking. We try to extract statements from the article you are reading and check existing fact check databases. This functionality is intended to mitigate imprecise statements or corrected later news which did not make it to all the published material. So if a news article is later amended and it totally changes what the original article says, this would let you know that information, which of course is extremely important. The News Companion offers more information to form an opinion. We exist to help you navigate and consume the information on the web easily and with a peace of mind. It also helps you to understand your reading habits. Are you reading more right or left-leaning reportings? How much tabloids are you consuming? And more. The decision is up to you. We will never tell you what you should or should not read, or modify what you see anyhow. The decision will always be up to you. And here is the type of bias that's recognized. Identification of publisher's bias. We look for political bias to help you understand the author's opinions and goals. We aggregate data from multiple sources, such as All Sides and MBFC News, to help us classify sites objectively. Do not forget to check out our terms and conditions. And what we identify are center, left center, right center, scientific, left, right, satire, contra-scientific, and questionable source. Coming soon, know your reading habits. We will provide you an aggregated insight into what you are reading. Example, how much politics, how much tabloids, how much science, and how balanced your reading is. You can use this to understand in retrospective what content you are consuming. And if you're interested in this type of an analysis, select the I'm interested. Otherwise, just forget about it. The only thing left to do is to add this to your browser, whether it's the Avast Secure Browser or any of the Chromium-based browsers. Enjoy this new and latest release from Avast.